This series of videos provides an overview of the different mount options and the preliminary installation steps. This video overviews the surface mount option. A generic camera is depicted to show the installation steps. Installation may vary from camera to camera. We recommend reviewing the specific installation guide for the camera being installed. The surface mount is a versatile mounting option that can mount the camera to a wall or ceiling. The surface mount is an ideal solution on surfaces that can be easily drilled into, and when the cables should be kept out of sight. In most camera packages, the surface mount adapter is provided. The package usually includes the camera, a surface mounting template sticker, a star-shaped screwdriver, a solid wall accessory kit, a 3-hole or single-hole rubber grommet, an RJ45 grommet piercing cap, and a quick start guide. Depending on the camera, the package may also include a power terminal block, a conduit shroud for side entry conduit cabling, or a mounting plate adapter for electrical box installations. Ensure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a small slotted screwdriver, a drill with the appropriate drill bits, a wire cutter, and an RJ45 crimp tool. These tools are not included in the package. Let's overview the surface adapter of the Cerix Fisheye 3 series camera in this example. The next segment overviews the steps to install a surface mount adapter. We will use the Cerix Fisheye 3 series camera as an example. First, use the provided mounting template to drill the required mounting holes into the surface. Next, drill the cable entry hole. The mounting template sticker can be discarded. Then, place the supplied plastic anchors into the mounting holes. Pull the required cables through the mounting surface and the rear cable entry hole. Press the camera base firmly against the mounting surface. Use the provided self-tapping screws to secure the surface mount to the mounting surface. A conduit pipe is used for mounting surfaces that cannot be easily cut or when cables must be brought along the outside of the mounting surface. If the surface adapter will be mounted to a surface with the required cable coming out of an external conduit pipe, use the following steps. First, use the mounting template sticker to drill 3 mounting holes into the surface for the mounting screws. Ensure the conduit pipe is lined up with the mounting template. The mounting template sticker can be discarded. Then place the supplied plastic anchors into the mounting holes. Pull the required cables through the conduit pipe. Loosen the screw holding the cable entry tab on the side of the camera base and remove the tab. Use the same screw to install the appropriate conduit. See the installation guide for further information on this topic. Pull the required cables through the cable entry hole on the mounting adapter. Use the provided self-tapping screws to secure the camera base to the mounting surface. That completes the installation of a surface mount adapter to a surface. Consult the appropriate training video or installation guide to complete the camera installation. More mount options are overviewed in this series of videos.